In this video, you'll learn how to design a Didgeridoo Phaze Synth sound using Logic Pro X, as well as how to draw, edit, and rename MIDI notes using the piano editor. You'll also learn how to use the smart controls to sound design the mellow poly synth sound. Okay, first off, what we want to do is open up a empty project in Logic. So we're going to click on New, Empty Project. We're going to choose the software, instrument, and MIDI. Okay, so right now we want to click on this symbol. Make sure it's on Beats and Project. It's selected. And we want to double check. Actually double click the BPM. We change that to 103. Okay. What we're going to do now is search for the mellow poly synth in the library. So I'm just going to type it in. As you can see, it's already here, so we just double click that. See, now that that's selected, we wanna rename this. So let's just double click it. We're gonna call it Didgeridoo. Couldn't really think of any other name, but this name just sounded, it's the first thing that came to mind. So Didgeridoo. Didgeridoo Phaze sound. Let's call it Didgeridoo Phaze Synth. Alright, let's click on a pencil tool. And let's just click next to the Didgeridoo Phaze Synth sound. What we want to do is just hover on the corner, bottom corner of it. As soon as you see those triangles, those double triangles, click and hold, drag it to 2 bars. Alright, now deselect the library icon on the top left and select the scissor tool. This is just, now what you want to do, just hover above the piano line editor and just bring it up just so you can see the piano editor in full view. Move the vertical slider here fully to the right and just move the horizontal slider just above halfway, just so you can see it. Like, yeah, it's kind of decent now. Now what we want to do is just double check that we got 1/16 notes. So as you can see, it's already ticked, it's already checked. We're going to use the pencil tool, so have that selected. We're going to make the synth lead melody type Didgeridoo sound. So you want to start off around middle C. We're going to use the notes D, E, and F. So that's going to be our melody, our main melody right there, right? So what we want to do is, I'm not going to speak, I'm just going to draw in the notes, so it's going to be sort of a quick thing. Sometimes you may find when you put the notes in, it's sort of like this. But as you can see, just use the finger tool, which I've already selected, and just drag it so it's on the 1/16 note. Reselect the pencil tool. Here we go. Okay, let's just let's play that, see how it sounds. Make sure we have the loop. So we want to loop that. Just take that back to 2 bars. That ain't exactly how I wanted it to sound. So let me just use the finger tool and just drag it a couple notches. I mean, let me use the pointer tool. You want to move these notes a couple spaces back. So let's just click, hold down, just highlight it. Click and hold. There you go. Make sure the loop button's selected. Yeah, but we ain't finished yet. Still more to go. Okay, what we want to do right now is we want to click on a smart control icon. Now this is where it gets exciting, because right now we're going to be doing most of the sound design right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase the impurity so it's somewhere between the 6th and the 7th, sort of like 6.5. And then you're going to watch me increase the phaser settings all the way to it's about 7. So just watch how I do it. There you go. That's how you create the Didgeridoo Phaze Synth sound. Now you know how to draw and edit MIDI notes through the piano roll editor. And I've shown you how by using the smart controls to sound design the Mellow Poly synth sound into a Didgeridoo Phaze Synth sound. Obviously, you're in a better position now to find out new and exciting ways to sculpt your sounds, man. That's some good stuff. You know what? Most importantly, I need you guys to do me a favor. Basically, what sound would you like to see me design next using Logic Pro X? Leave your comments below. If you guys have any questions or new videos you'd like to see, then press subscribe, like, share, tell a friend. Do the same as well. Much appreciated. Thanks.